Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on an incredible journey to the Kingdom of Wonder, Cambodia. This is a land where ancient history whispers through temple ruins and vibrant culture bursts forth in its bustling markets and delicious food. So pack your sense of adventure as we explore Cambodia's rich heritage, from its awe-inspiring temples to its tantalizing tastes. Our adventure begins in Siem Reap, the gateway to one of the most magnificent archaeological sites in the world, Angkor. Waking up before dawn, we make our way to the legendary Angkor Wat. As the first rays of sunlight pierce the darkness, they paint the sky in shades of orange and pink, slowly revealing the iconic silhouette of the temple's 5 lotus-like towers. It's a moment of pure magic, a sight that stays with you forever. Angkor Wat is not just a temple. It's a masterpiece of Khmer architecture, a symbol of national pride, and the largest religious monument on the planet. Walking through its vast galleries, you'll find intricate carvings depicting Hindu epics and historical events. Every stone tells a story of a once mighty empire. It's a humbling experience to stand in the presence of such ancient grandeur. But Angkor is more than just Angkor Wat. Just a short ride away, we find Angkor Thom, a fortified city that was once the last capital of the Khmer Empire. At its heart lies the Bayon Temple. This temple is famous for its hundreds of serene, smiling stone faces, each one seemingly watching over the city from every direction. It's a bit mysterious, a bit surreal, and completely captivating. Whose face is it? Some say it's the king, Jayavarman VII, while others believe it's a bodhisattva. Whatever the truth, wandering through this labyrinth of smiling giants feels like stepping into another world. Next, we venture deeper into the jungle to discover Ta Prohm, often called the Tomb Raider Temple. Here, nature has reclaimed the ancient stones. Massive silk cotton and strangler fig trees have wrapped their roots around the temple walls, creating a stunning and powerful image of nature's relentless embrace. It's a photographer's dream and a poignant reminder of the passage of time. Walking through Ta Prohm feels like you an explorer discovering a lost city for the very first time. The blend of crumbling architecture and powerful nature is simply breathtaking. Beyond the main temples, the Angkor complex has countless other hidden gems. Like the beautifully preserved Banteay Shrine, known as the Citadel of Women, this smaller temple is famous for its incredibly detailed and delicate carvings in pinkish sandstone. The level of artistry here is so fine that people believed it must have been carved by women. It's a true jewel of Khmer art and well worth the visit. Now, let's leave the ancient stones behind and dive into Cambodia's vibrant living culture. Our first stop is a floating village on Tonle Sap Lake, the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia. Here, entire communities live in houses built on stilts. We see floating schools, markets, and even basketball courts. It's a fascinating look at a unique way of life that has adapted to the seasonal rhythms of the lake. Taking a boat tour through these villages offers a glimpse into the daily lives of the families who call this water world home. The resilience and ingenuity of the people here are truly inspiring. As the sun sets, we head back to Siem Reap to experience the energy of Pub Street and the night market. This is where modern Cambodia comes alive. The streets are filled with the sounds of music, laughter, and the sizzle of street food stalls. You can find everything here, from beautiful handmade souvenirs and silk scarves to quirky crafts and local art. It's the perfect place to practice your bargaining skills and pick up some unique mementos of your trip. Don't be shy, the friendly vendors are always ready for a chat. Of course, no exploration of a country's heritage is complete without tasting its food. And let me tell you, Cambodian cuisine or Khmer cuisine is a delightful journey for your taste buds. It's less spicy than Thai food and has its own unique flavors, often using a fermented fish paste called prahak to add a salty umami depth to many dishes. One of the must-try dishes is fish amok. This is a creamy, fragrant fish curry, steamed in a banana leaf. The fish is tender, and the coconut milk-based curry is infused with a special blend of spices called crowing, which includes lemongrass, galangal, and turmeric. It's smooth, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. It's often considered the national dish of Cambodia, and once you taste it, you'll understand why. Another classic is beef lok lak. This dish features tender cubes of stir-fried beef served on a bed of fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and onions, often with a fried egg on top. The best part is the dipping salsa, simple but amazing mix of lime juice and black pepper. The combination of savory beef and zesty sauce is just perfect. For something a bit more adventurous, you might want to try the famous Kampot pepper crab. Kampot pepper is renowned worldwide for its unique, complex flavor. When stir-fried with fresh crab, it creates a dish that is peppery, sweet, and utterly addictive. It's a true delicacy that showcases one of Cambodia's most famous agricultural products. And let's not forget the street food. All over Cambodia, you'll find vendors selling everything from savory noodle soups like kai tiv to sweet treats like mango sticky rice. A personal favorite is num pang, the Cambodian version of a baguette sandwich. It's filled with grilled meat, pickled vegetables, and fresh herbs, making for a quick, cheap, and incredibly tasty meal on the go. Be brave and try the grilled skewers, the fresh fruit shakes, and even some of the more exotic snacks if you dare, like fried tarantulas, a local specialty in some regions. Our journey continues to the capital city, Phnom Penh. This is a city of contrasts, where a painful history meets a hopeful future. To understand modern Cambodia, a visit to the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum and the Suong Ik killing fields is essential. It is a heartbreaking and sobering experience, but it is crucial for understanding the resilience of the Cambodian people and the atrocities they survived under the Khmer Rouge regime. It's a powerful reminder to never forget the past and to cherish peace. On a lighter note, Phnom Penh is also a city of beautiful architecture and vibrant riverfront life. The Royal Palace, with its glittering golden roofs, and the Silver Pagoda, with its floor of solid silver tiles, are stunning examples of classic Khmer architecture. It's the official residence of the King of Cambodia, and a portion of the complex is open to visitors. It's a peaceful and beautiful place to spend an afternoon. Afterward, a stroll along the Sisawath Quay, the riverfront promenade, is a must. Here you can watch the confluence of the Mekong and Tonle Sap rivers, enjoy a cool drink at a riverside cafe, and see locals exercising, socializing, and flying kites. It's the vibrant heart of the city, especially in the evening. From the majestic temples of Angkor to the floating villages of Tonle Sap, from the bustling markets of Siem Reap to the historic streets of Phnom Penh, Cambodia is a country that truly captures your heart. It's a land of incredible beauty, profound history, and warm, welcoming people who have overcome so much. The heritage of Cambodia isn't just in its ancient stones. It's in the smiles of its people, the flavors of its food, and the vibrant spirit of a nation looking proudly towards the future. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey through Cambodia. I hope it has inspired you to explore this amazing country for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with what you'd love to see in Cambodia, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!